Hello future officers, welcome to exam study. I'm your friend Ritu and I'm back with a new series, and today in this part we will revise our history MCQ from Mauryan period. Okay, so let's get started. If you didn't subscribe our channel till now, then please subscribe and press the bell icon for regular update. If you want the PDF notes of these lectures, you have to join our Telegram group. I will give the link in the description box. Okay, so let's start today's session. First question: who among the following also had the name of Devnam Priyadarshi? So, who is called as Priyadarshi or Devnam Priyadarshi? Option A, Ashoka. Option B, Gautama Buddha. And option C, Chandragupta Maurya. Option D, Bhagwan Mahavira. Okay, so here the correct option is option B, A. Okay, so Ashoka, also known as Devnam Priya or Priyadarshi. Okay, so let's see the next question. With which of the following centers of learning Chanakya, the famous teacher of Chandragupta Maurya, was associated? Okay, so what is the name of the university to which Chanakya or Vishnugupta was related, and he was the great teacher of Chandragupta Maurya? Okay, option A, Nalanda. Option B, Bikramshila. Option C, Vaishali. And option D, Takshashila. Okay, so Chanakya or Vishnugupta was associated with Takshashila. Okay, now let's see the next question. Which event brought about a profound change in Ashoka's administrative policy? Option A, the Third Buddhist Council. The Kalinga War. His embracing of Buddhism. Option D, his sending of missionary to Ceylon. Okay, so what was the great event that changed the ideology of the great emperor Ashoka? So the right option is option B, that is Kalinga War. Because this was a horrible war, so many people were killed in this war, and it is also called that Ashoka killed his 99 brothers also. Okay, so that's why this bad war was a landmark, and this after this war Ashoka changed his mind and he left the policy of war and accepted peace. Let's see the next question. Great Stupa at Sanchi is in. So the Great Stupa at Sanchi is located in which state? Option A, Uttar Pradesh. Option B, Arunachal Pradesh. Option C, Madhya Pradesh. Option D, Andhra Pradesh. So Sanchi Stupa is located in Madhya Pradesh. Option C is the correct answer. Okay. Now let's see the next question. The monk who influenced Ashoka to embrace Buddhism was option A, Vishnugupta. Option B, Upagupta. Option C, Brahmagupta. And option D, Bihadrat. Okay, so the correct option is Upagupta. Okay, Upagupta was the famous monk who influenced Ashoka to embrace Buddhism. Okay, now move on to the next question. Which one of the following does not appear on the abacus of Sarnath Lal capital of Ashoka? So we all know about the Sarnath Lal capital of Asoka? So which element was not related to that statue? Option A, bull. Option B, deer. Option C, elephant. And option D, horse. Okay. So the correct option is bear. Okay. So bear was not appear in the abacus of Sarnath, lion capital of Asoka. Okay. Now move on to the next question. Who among the following historical personalities of India is also known as Vishnugupta? Option A, Bilhana. Option B, Kalidas. Option C, Patanjali. And option D, Chanakya. So Chanakya was also known as Vishnugupta. That was his childhood name also and his actual name. Okay. And the another name of Chanakya was Kautilya also. Okay. And Arthashastra was the famous book by Chanakya or Vishnugupta. Let's see the next question. Megasthenes was an envoy of which of the following kings? Option A, Seleucus. Option B, Alexander. Option C, Darius. And option D, Antiochus. Okay. So here the correct option is option A, that is Seleucus. Megasthenes was an envoy of Seleucus. Now move on to the next question. Which of the following was the oldest dynasty of India? Option A, Maurya dynasty. Option B, Gupta dynasty. Option C, Kusana dynasty. And option D, Kanva dynasty. Okay. So here the correct option is Maurya dynasty. So Maurya dynasty was the oldest dynasty of India. Now let's see the next question. The division of Mauryan society into 7 classes was particularly mentioned in which book? Option A, Kautilya's Arthashastra, Ashokan Edicts. Option C, the Purans. And option D, the Indica of Megasthenes. So the division of Mauryan society into 7 classes was particularly mentioned in the Indica, the famous book of Megasthenes. Okay. Now move on to the next question. The Mauryan silver coin was called. So what was the name of the silver coin that was issued during Mauryan Empire? Option A, Nizka. Option B, Satamana. Option C, Subharna. And option D, Jital. So here the correct option is Satamana. So Satamana is the silver coin during Mauryan period. Okay, clear? Most important and unique question. Let's see the next question. Friends, it's my request, if you didn't like this session till now, then give a thumbs up and share with your friends. And if you didn't subscribe our channel Exam Study, then do subscribe also. The valleys of Sindhu, Ganga, Yamuna were brought together for the first time on the one political authority by option A, Chandragupta Maurya, Ashoka, Chandragupta II or Prithviraj Chauhan. So here the correct option is Chandragupta Maurya. So the valleys of Sindhu, Ganga and Yamuna were brought together for the first time on the political authority by Chandragupta Maurya. Okay. Now let's see the next question. Which of the following places has no Ashokan edict? Option A, Girnar. Option B, Kandhar. Option C, Patliputra. And option D, Topra. So in Patliputra there has no Asokan edict. Okay, clear? Let's see the next question. Who of the following was a contemporary of Alexander the Great? Option A, Bimbisara. Option B, Chandragupta Maurya. Option C, Ashoka. Or option D, Pushyamitra Shunga. So Chandragupta Maurya, option B is the correct answer. Chandragupta Maurya was a contemporary of Alexander the Great. Okay. Now move on to the next question. The notion of Saptanga, that in 7 classes, that was introduced in Arthashastra, that includes option A, kings. Option B, kings. Option A, kings, territory, administration and treasury. Option B, music, dance, ragas and wrestling. Option C, ministers, civil servants, subalterns and those involved in epinos. Okay, and option D, aristocrat, acharya, trader and monks. Okay, so here the correct option is option A. Okay, so the notion of Saptanga includes kings, territory, administration and treasury. Okay, now move on to the next question. To which dynasty did Ashoka belong? Option A, Haryanka dynasty. Option B, Kusan. Option C, Gupta. Or option D, Maurya. So Ashoka belonged Mauryan dynasty. Okay. Now move on to the next question. Which rock edict of Ashoka provide a description of the horrors of Kalinga war? Option A, 13th rock edict. Option B, sealing edict. Third, the edict at Jadugada. And option D, 10th rock edict. Okay, so here the correct option is 13th rock edict. Okay, now move on to the next question. A Buddhist council during the reign of Ashoka was held at. So a Buddhist council took place in during the reign of Ashoka, where at option A, Magadha. Option B, Patliputra. Option C, Samastipur. Or option D, Rajgriha. Okay, so here the correct option is option B. Okay, so that is Buddhist council took place at Patliputra. Now let's see the next question. Kautilya's Arthashastra deals with the aspect of option A, economic life. Option B, political policies. Option C, religious life. And option D, social life. Okay, so here the correct option is political life policies. Okay, now let's see the next question. Chandragupta Maurya figures prominent in the book of option A, Dibavadhan. Option B, Arthashastra. Option C, Indica. And option D, Ashoka's inscription. So Chandragupta Maurya figure prominently mentioned in option C, Indica. Okay, now let's see the next question. Kautilya's Arthashastra is a book on option A, This is very confusing question and most repeated question. Option B, principle and practice of state policy, statecraft. Option C, foreign policy. And option D, duties of king. So the correct option is here option B. Arthashastra book is on the principle and practice of statecraft. Okay. Now move on to the next question. Language used in the inscription of Ashoka is Sanskrit, Prakrit, Apabhransma and Hindi. So the correct option is option B, that is Prakrit. So Prakrit language was used in the inscription of Ashoka. Now let's see the next question. What is the name of Megasthenes' book? Option A, Milinda Panaha. Option B, Indica. Option C, Mudda Rakshas. And option D, none of the above. So the book name of Megasthenes is Indica. And here we got the 7 classes of Mauryan period. Okay, let's see the next question. Who identified the name of Sandrocotus as Chandragupta Maurya? Option A, William Jones. Option B, V.A. Smith. Option C, R.K. Mukherjee. And option D, Rakhal Das Banerjee. So the title Sandrocotus as Chandragupta was discovered by William Jones. Option A is the correct answer. Let's see the next question. Who constructed Sachi Stupa? Option A, Chandragupta. Option B, Vishnugupta. Option C, Gautam Buddha. And option D, Ashoka. So the Sachi Stupa was constructed by the great emperor Ashoka. Okay. So these are the top 25 questions from Mauryan Empire. These are very, very important questions which we took. And I hope you will find it very helpful for your upcoming exam also. If you like this session, then don't forget to give a thumbs up, share with your friends, subscribe my channel Exam Study, and you can follow our Facebook page, that is also Exam Study E-Education. Both there are 2 pages, and in Instagram E-Education Ritu and Telegram Exam Study. I will give all the links in the description box. You can join us and you can get the PDF materials there. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for watching the video.